Are you thinking of starting a dropshipping business? In this video, we will reveal the truth about dropshipping and provide you with tips on how to make it work for you. Dropshipping is a retail model where a seller doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, the seller purchases items from a third-party supplier who then ships the product directly to the customer. This means that the seller never sees or handles the product. One of the major advantages of dropshipping is that you don't need to invest in inventory. This means that you can start your business with minimal money. Additionally, you don't have to worry about storing or shipping products yourself. One of the major disadvantages of dropshipping is the lack of control over the products and shipping process. Additionally, since anyone can start a dropshipping business, the competition is high, which can make it hard to stand out. To make dropshipping work, you need to find a profitable niche, create a professional-looking website, and have reliable suppliers. You also need to focus on providing excellent customer service to build trust with your customers. Dropshipping can be a lucrative business, but it requires hard work, research, and dedication. By following the tips we've provided, you can make dropshipping work for you and achieve success in this industry.